setting up for high-speed passing from both directions. F-35B.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. You see.
In excess of 40,000 feet. The fly-by-wire flight control system of the F-35 provides extreme agility while reducing pilot workload across the flight envelope. The F-35B is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135-600 afterburning turbofan engine, which is capable of generating more than 41,000 pounds of thrust, as displayed on this next graph. Technology allows it to safely enter areas without being seen by radars that legacy fighters cannot evade. The combination of the low observable features, the F-35's advanced sensors, and the aircraft's ability to carry weapons internally means the F-35 can engage targets at long ranges without detection. On this next crash note, the cycling of weapons bay doors simulating a weapons release. The F-35 is a result of a Department of Defense program to provide a next-generation strike aircraft weapons system for the Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and our allies. The F-35 is designed to replace multiple strike fighter aircraft inventories, including the U.S. Air Force A-10s and F-16s, U.S. Navy F-A-18s, and the United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harriers, F-A-18s, and EA-6B Prowlers. The F-35B is capable of performing similarly to the fighters mentioned it is replacing, as demonstrated during this afterburner turn. The pilot is now maneuvering to configure the aircraft for landing. Approaching show center, he will command conversion from conventional mode to stoval mode. You'll notice several doors opening on the aircraft. The large door on the top of the aircraft, just behind the canopy, is the upper lift fan door. This is the intake for the horizontally mounted forward lift fan. Opposite this door, on the bottom of the aircraft, you can see the lower lift fan doors, which are the exhaust for the lift fan. You also see the doors at the rear of the aircraft, which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle to rotate down. This combination will allow commanders to deploy fifth-generation multi-role locations inaccessible to conventional tactical aircraft. In addition to the ability to operate from austere environments, the F-35 brings the most powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package of any fighter aircraft in history. Its next-generation avionics and sensor fusion give the pilot real-time access to battlefield information with 360-degree coverage. Advanced electronic warfare capabilities enable the F-35 to locate and track enemy forces, jam radio frequencies, and disrupt attacks with unparalleled precision. Major Holst is now positioning the aircraft for a deceleration to hover the aircraft at show center. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine, and roll control nozzles, generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This capability to conduct vertical landing operations is what allows the F-35B to operate from amphibious ships and provides additional flexibility for operations in austere environments. Transitioning from the hover to set up for a final rolling vertical landing. The flight control system of the F-35B significantly reduces pilot workload in the stoval landing environment monitoring all aspects of aircraft and engine performance, and maintaining conventional flight control logic, throttle for acceleration and deceleration, and stick for primary descent. This allows the pilot to focus more on the landing environment and less on performance parameters to achieve a precision approach and landing in demanding conditions, such as this simulated landing to an expeditionary runway. After touchdown, the pilot will command conversion back to CTOL mode. We would like to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of all the Marines of VMFA 211, without whom this demonstration would not be possible. I'd also like to invite everyone to come out and visit our VMFA 211 booth located on Squadron Row. Get a chance to see this amazing airplane up close and meet the pilots who flew today. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the aerial demonstration of the F-35B Lightning II. VMFA 211, along with 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing and Marine Aircraft Group 13, hope you have enjoyed this presentation of the future of the United States Marine Corps Strike Fighter Aviation.
Awesome job there by our friends in the F-35 demonstration team. Thanks, guys. The San Diego Union Tribune delivering news, entertainment, and information to San Diego since 1868. Connect with the San Diego Union Tribune anytime, anywhere at SanDiegoUnionTribune.com. Plus our friends at Boeing and the Marine Corps Reserve are 100 years young. Today we celebrate the spirit and dedication of our military and the incredible contributions it's made to the aerospace industry. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you, Matt Jolly. And ladies and gentlemen, high overhead, in the small red airplane, is a gentleman who has in his whole career amassed more than 25,000 hours of both fixed and rotary wing flight time. And as you watch this gentleman from Salinas, California, enter the aerobatic box, watch the ferocity with which he attacks this airplane. And I will let you know that this guy, when he got his private pilot's license, was afraid to fly. Ladies and gentlemen, Oracle and Team Oracle presents Mr. Sean D. Tucker. Diving down now at over 200 miles per hour and pulling back on the stick, he goes into a maneuver known as the centrifuge. You are witnessing the first of about 13 minutes of the most hardcore, down and dirty power aerobatics known to man. Sean D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3 is the demonstrator of power aerobatics. One of the most well-known aviators and loved aviators in all the world.